Hello and welcome to the Sweet English class for everybody, for every level. We are here to learn English together, so join us and subscribe to improve your English language skills. So let's start our journey. Vocabulary class. Lesson 17. Shapes. 2D shapes. 2D shapes. Circle. Circle. Square. Square. Rectangle. Rectangle. Triangle. Triangle. Ellipse. Ellipse. Oval. Oval. Right triangle. Right triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Parallelogram. Parallelogram. Trapezoid. Trapezoid. Rhombus. Rhombus. Diamond. Diamond. Pentagon. Pentagon. Hexagon. Hexagon. Heptagon. Heptagon. Octagon. Octagon. Decagon. Decagon. Crescent. Crescent. Semicircle. Semicircle. Star. Star. Cross. Cross. Arrow. 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 Heart. Heart. Three-D shapes. Three-D shapes. Cube. Cube. Cuboid. Cuboid. Cylinder. Cylinder. Sphere. Sphere. Cone. cone, pyramid, pyramid. Thank you very much for your time and consideration. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like. See you soon.